This episode is brought to you by The Guarantors. Facing rising renter fraud? Don't let fraudulent applications compromise your financial stability. The Guarantors provide a safety net that protects your rent roll and minimizes bad debt. Why risk it? Talk to The Guarantors and secure your property's financial health. Visit theguarantors.com/multifamily today. Welcome to another episode of the Multifamily Collective. It's Saturday night. I'm batch recording, same attire. Okay, a little bit different attire. My wife and I are headed to Ireland. Very excited about that. But the reason for all these videos right in a row looking all the same is because of that. So tonight I wanted to talk about forcing functions. And the best analogy I have for a forcing function that is germane to the multifamily space is if, let's say you use Yardi or RealPage or one of the property management systems, there are these built-in forcing functions. Let's use an application as an example. You pull up an application or a customer pulls up an application and they avoid putting in their name and they click next, and the system will not let them move forward without putting their name in first. So there's a forcing function there, right? The forcing function is, hey, you got to put your name in before you can advance to the next screen to put some more information in. The reason I bring up forcing functions tonight is there are things that you can do in your life that'll better you as a human being that you can set up under that same principle, a forcing function to get yourself to move or to take action in a consequential way, right? Some of the things that I've seen that are very unique or creative. Let's say you wanted to stop cursing, and in your organization, there's a curse jar, and every time a curse word comes out of your mouth, you got to put a $100 bill in a jar. That's a pretty good forcing function to keep you from cursing. It's a simple kind of elementary example, but there are other examples like that in an organization where you can better the organization as a whole. Not suggesting that cursing is the end of the world, but there are things in your personal life. A forcing function might be something as simple as if you want to exercise in the morning, lay out or put your running shoes right next to your bed, go to sleep in your running clothes. When you wake up in the morning, put your feet right into your shoes, right? Have a bottle of water right next to your, or on your nightstand, right next to where you sleep. When you wake in the morning, drink the water, slip your feet into those shoes, walk out the front door before you're even awake to get yourself to go. It's a forcing function in that you're moving yourself in a direction and you're causing an action or a necessary action to happen that moves you to the next action almost automatically, like muscle memory. That's my encouragement for you today. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.